Hi everybody, my name is Samantha with Ivy Hall. Welcome to a special episode of What's in Our Holiday Stash Bag. Since I'm home for the holidays, my holiday stash bag looks a little bit differently than what we're used to seeing. We've got Let's Get Baked oven mitts, our green leaf cookie cutter, the pot Dealer Apron. You know what I'm thinking, right? Let's make some sugar cookies. So we're gonna put the apron on to protect the precious gingerbread man. The recipe is really simple. I literally just gave it a Goog under simple sugar cookie recipe and clicked on the first one. You can always add your own can of butter, FSHO or RSO. I just kept it really simple for timing purposes.
In your mixing bowl, add 2 3/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder. Then in a separate bowl, add 2 sticks of butter, 1 1/2 cups of sugar. Mix until well combined. Pause to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 egg, and then mix again until well combined. Lastly, slowly add your flour back in and mix until well combined and a dough is formed. Chill the dough for 30 minutes.
Okay, so now that my dough is done chilling, start to roll it up.
But first, preheat the oven to 375. You can make your sugar cookies as thin or as thick as you want, but I like mine thin so that they're crispy. And then off in the oven it goes for 8 to 10 minutes.
That concludes our holiday series of What's in Our Holiday Stash Bag. Happy holidays. Bye.